Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram filter and which was like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, open your Instagram and click on the Instagram Reels and just click on the effect option here. Then just search it as a pinch me. Okay, so like this you just type and search. You can see the first filter which make the pinching effect. Actually it's a so weird filter, so if you keep your hands like this the filter effect will be gone, and you can just do like this so to avoid the hands. So you can make a weird, you like weird filter, or just try to make a weird reels. You can use this filter. It's actually a weird filter, and you can click on the pinch me effect and view the effect page. You can see more than 61,000 people have been created reels by using this particular filter. So it's one of the most popular filter on your Instagram. So you can try this filter if you want and if you like. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the Instagram filter, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.